Morning, dear students. This is Nisha Dheer. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Dear students, open your EVS book, and the name of the book is The Greenhouse. In the previous AV assignment, we will learn our chapter number 12, and the name of the lesson is Means of Communication. In the previous AV assignment, I already explained you about the communication. What's the meaning of communication? Communication means to share and exchange the information, news and views, etc. Communication is the act of transmitting an idea from one person to another. Communication required at least two persons. One is the sender of the message and receiver of the message. So process of sharing our thoughts is called communication. Today we will learn about the means of communication. Firstly, let's start reading. Need for communication. We need to talk to people around us to share our feelings and thoughts. Communication is when we talk or write to someone. Communication helps us to share information and learning new things. So what's the meaning of communication? Communication means to exchange the information, news and views, etc. The various methods we use for communication is called means of communication. We use different ways to communicate with our near and dear ones. These are known as means of communication. So what's the meaning of means of communication? We use various methods for communication. It's called the means of communication. For example, telephone, mobile phones, computer, internet, letter, parcels, greeting cards, television and radio, newspaper and magazines, fax machines. So these are the means of communication. Let us discuss in detail. So there are many type of means of communication. People used to send message to other people. Modern and latest technology includes mobile phone, telephone, SMS, MMS, internet, email, telegram and fax. But in ancient times, pigeons used to carry letters from one place to another place. But communication has become quite fast. Nowadays, people use telephone, both fixed landline and handheld cells, mobile. This is the quickest way to communicate. Telephones help us to talk to people far and near by just dialing their number. It is the fastest means of communication. We can call people staying next door, another city or even another city. So telephone is the quickest means of communication. People can talk on their mobile phone while walking. They can also send written messages, which are known as SMS, text message, through their mobile phone. Through the facility of MMS, photographs and video clips, we can also send via mobile phone. तो टेलीफोन जो है वो फास्टेस्ट मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है. हम जस्ट अपने फ़ोन से नंबर दूसरे पर्सन का डायल करते हैं और हम क्विकली उनसे बात कर सकते हैं, कम्युनिकेशन कर सकते हैं. मोबाइल फ़ोन्स, आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड. Mobile phones are even more convenient. A mobile phone helps us to keep in touch with people even while traveling. And SMS is a message sent through a mobile phone. It helps us to connect instantly with people. So we can send photographs, videos through our mobile phone. Next means of communication is computer and internet. Through computer and internet we can send emails. तो हम कंप्यूटर के थ्रू और इंटरनेट के थ्रू हम emails सेंड कर सकते हैं. emails are like messages and letters that can be sent from one mailing address or email ID to another with the help of the internet. तो हम जब ईमेल के थ्रू हम मैसेज और लेटर्स सेंड कर सकते हैं वन ईमेल एड्रेस से अनदर पर्सन को थ्रू द इंटरनेट. द इंटरनेट ऑल्सो हेल्प अस टू हैव वीडियो चैट्स विद फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली मेम्बर्स हु स्टे far away from us. We can also look up the internet for a lot of information and news on various subjects. सो हम इंटरनेट यूज़ कर सकते हैं. हमारे जो फैमिली मेम्बर्स होते हैं वो हमसे दूर अनदर सिटी में रह रहे होते हैं, तो हम इंटरनेट यूज़ करके उनसे वीडियो चैट कर सकते हैं. एंड हम इंटरनेट यूज़ कर सकते हैं फॉर न्यूज़ एंड वेरियस सब्जेक्ट्स की इंफॉर्मेशन गेट करने के लिए. Next is letters, parcels and greeting cards. Sending letter is an old and popular means of communication. So in the ancient time, letters are sent through pigeons. So in the ancient time, pigeons used to carry letters from one place to another place. So letters is an old and popular means of communication. We write letter, put them into envelopes and paste stamps on the envelopes. On the envelopes we write the name and address of the receiver. The letter is then posted in the letter box. The letters from there get collected by a postman who sort them out according to the addresses. The letters then travel to different places and get delivered to the right addresses. We also send greeting cards and parcels by post. So how does a letter send its destination? We buy stamps, envelopes and postcard from the post office. Then we write our message on a postcard or on a paper, which we put in the envelope. We affix a stamp on the envelope and then drop the letter or parcel or in the post box. A postman comes and collect all the letters dropped in the post box. Then the postman deposit all the letters at the post office. The letters then travel to different places and get delivered to the right address. We also send greeting cards and parcels by post. Next is television and radio. A television brings to us news and information from all around the world. We can watch news and live telecast of different matches on the television. We can listen to news, music and sports commentary on the radio. So television and radio पे हम बहुत सारी पूरे वर्ल्ड की इंफॉर्मेशन हम गेट कर सकते हैं. टेलीविज़न पे हम न्यूज़ चैनल देखते हैं तो वहाँ से हमें पूरे वर्ल्ड की न्यूज़ मिल जाती है. एंड जो लाइव मैचेस लगे हुए होते हैं वो भी हम अपने टीवी के थ्रू हम देख सकते हैं। उस पर जो कमेंट्री हो रही होती है वो हम सुन सकते हैं। स्पोर्ट्स कमेंट्री हो रही होती है वो हम रेडियो पे भी सुन सकते हैं, अपने टेलीविज़न पे भी उसको सुन सकते हैं। वी कैन लिसन द न्यूज़, म्यूज़िक एंड स्पोर्ट्स कमेंट्री ऑन द रेडियो। Newspaper and magazines. A newspaper brings news at our doorstep every morning. It is the cheapest means of communication that help us to stay aware of the happening around the world. Magazines too are the storehouse of information and knowledge. So magazines and newspapers से हम पूरे वर्ल्ड की न्यूज़ जो है वो गेट कर सकते हैं। सो इट इज़ द चीपेस्ट मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन। तो हम एक जस्ट हमारे घर पे जो न्यूज़पेपर आता है उसमें पूरे वर्ल्ड की इंफॉर्मेशन दी हुई होती है। डेली हम न्यूज़पेपर से हम पूरे वर्ल्ड की जो न्यूज़ है, लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ होती हैं, हेडलाइंस होती हैं, वो हम कहाँ पे रीड कर सकते हैं? थ्रू द न्यूज़पेपर। एंड मैगज़ीन्स भी जो है, मैगज़ीन्स में भी बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, वहाँ से भी हम बहुत सारी नॉलेज गेट कर सकते हैं। सो हियर वी हैव दिस फिलअप्स। Your elder brother stays in a hostel. Name 3 means of communication he can use to stay in touch with you and your parents. तो आपका जो ब्रदर है वो एक हॉस्टल में रहता है आपसे दूर, तो वो कौन से मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट कौन से मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन यूज़ करेगा आपके टच में रहने के लिए? सो यू कैन राइट हियर द 3 मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन। First one is phone, second is letter, third one is internet. Next means of communication is fax machine. Copies of letters and documents can be sent from one fax machine to another instantly. Even fax machine has a fax number. Fax machines are connected through a telephone line. तो हम जो अपने लेटर्स और डॉक्यूमेंट्स को फैक्स मशीन के थ्रू भी इंस्टेंटली अनदर प्लेस पे सेंड कर सकते हैं। तो फैक्स मशीन का एक फ़िक्स नंबर होता है और फैक्स मशीन को कनेक्ट करने के लिए हमें टेलीफोन लाइन की नीड होती है। सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट टुडेज लेक्चर। नाउ डिस्कस द रिटन असाइनमेंट बैक एक्सरसाइज एंड द फर्स्ट वन इज़ टिक द करेक्ट आंसर्स। And the first question is, which of these would you use to talk to your cousin who stays in another city? And we have options: television, telephone, letter, radio. And the correct answer is telephone. So tick here. Next one is, we would need stamps before we post a dash. And we have options: newspaper, fax, letter और email. तो हमें stamps की need कब होती है? जब हम letter post करते हैं. So correct answer is letter. So tick here. Next is, which of these things is needed to send a fax? तो फैक्स सेंड करने के लिए हमें कौन सी थिंग की नीड होती है? एंड द ऑप्शंस आर एनवेलप, स्टैम्प्स, टेलीफोन लाइन और ईमेल आईडी। वी नीड टेलीफोन लाइन टू सेंड अ फैक्स, सो टिक हियर। नेक्स्ट इज, which among these is the slowest means of long distance communication? And we have options: letter, telephone, email, SMS. And the correct answer is letter. So tick here. Next is, we should not dash. And we have options: write letters, make calls, watch television for long hours, send fax messages. And the correct answer is we should not watch television for long hours. So take care. And the next is write true or false. And the first one is talking over the phone is the fastest means of communication. So it's true or false? Yes, it's true. So write here T. Next is children should not play video games for long hours. Yes, it's true. Right here T. Next is we need envelopes and stamps to send emails. तो हमें email send करने के लिए envelopes and stamps की need होती है? No, we need stamps and envelopes to send a letter. So it's false. So write here F. And the next one is to send a fax we need an email ID. No, it's false. To send a fax we just need a telephone line. So it's false. We need to use means of communication to stay in touch with our near and dear ones. Is it true or false? Yes, it's true. So write here true. So do this work on your book on page number 86. Thank you. Have a nice day.